Security forces in Manipur recently conducted extensive search and area domination operations across the hill and valley districts, particularly targeting fringe and vulnerable areas. In one significant operation in Panjang village, located on the upper reaches of the Thangjing Ridge in Churachandpur district, various weapons were seized, including 2 rockets approximately 8 feet each, 2 rockets approximately 7 feet each, 2 large country-made mortars, 1 medium-sized country-made mortar, 3 improvised mortar bombs, 1 radio set and 2 country-made grenades. These operations aim to secure regions susceptible to violence and insurgency while ensuring safe passage for essential goods. Movement was successfully facilitated for 201 vehicles on National Highway 37 and 351 on National Highway 2, with strict security protocols and convoy escorts in sensitive areas. Additionally, 109 nakas or checkpoints were set up across Manipur's hill and valley districts. Police detained 8 individuals for violations across various districts, reflecting the state's commitment to maintaining security amidst ongoing tensions. These coordinated efforts by security forces are essential to restoring stability in Manipur, focusing on weapon recovery, securing transport routes, and enforcing law and order.